Alright, so to get this program rolling, tawagin po natin ang ating Mayor, ang Honorable Mayor Benjamin B. Magalong for the welcome remarks.
Let me first greet the most important person of the day. Dito si RD Nat Lacambra. Palakpakan natin siya. Siya ho talaga yung main actor ho rito. At siya ho yung magbibigay ho sa inyo ng mga trabaho. And together with our strong partner from TESDA, si RD Valdez. Let me greet also our Assistant Regional Director, MF Narang. And of course, from TESDA, our Provincial Director, si Arlene Cadali. We have a special guest today, si Mayor Manny Permin. Of course, si Engineer Doy Tabilo. And finally, I would like also to greet our very dynamic na peso, kilala niyo naman lagi, always meet her, si Romuelda Escanio. And of course, we'd like to greet our team TESDA and team Dole Cordillera. Sa inyo pong lahat, magandang umaga po. Ng Sapa, Katatay amin. Today, we are here again as we celebrate the 122nd Labor Day. And we are reminded of the invaluable contributions of our Filipino workforce to our nation's progress and development. Now we have the theme, sa Bagong Pilipinas, Manggagawang Pilipino, Kabalikat at Kasama sa Pag-aasenso.